inside. Camden, come inside.
BBN Adventures.
Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here. We are at park number 33. Can you believe it already? Whoa! This is Waynedale Memorial Park. We got a splash pad, playground, tennis courts, open space, and we're gonna have fun.
All right, who's ready for park number 33? Ready?
See.
All right, here we go.
Whoa. Don't squirt Dad. Uh-oh. Better get in there in the middle. Get under the bucket. Quick, get under the bucket. I think it got you. Anyway, what do you got? Whoa! Oh, he's down. When's it gonna turn on? I don't know, dude. Better just stand there and wait. Splash! I gotta watch my feet. It missed ya.
twisty slides.
Slide on the side.
Daddy on an obstacle course, Camden.
Not time for this at home.
Okay, what do you got, Cam?
A fairy door that's wet and cold.
It's wet and cold. All right, let's go find a tree to put it on, okay? What do you got?
A rock.
What's it say?
Be nice!
All right, what are you going to do with it?
We're going to hide it. Hide it. Hide,
What
hide,
happens if somebody finds your rock?
hide. Comment down below when you find it.
All right, go hide it, buddy.
All right, we are all done here at Waynedale Park. Camden, what was your favorite part?
I'm playing with a new friend tag.
Playing tag with your new friend. Emma, what was your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything.
Our new friend didn't tell his name.
We didn't tell him his name. Maybe we'll just call him Tag.
Yeah.
Daddy,
I
what was
like
your...
tag.
He liked playing tag, so maybe that could be his name. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
I want to say the playground.
Different. I like the little fitness area. We didn't do much over there, but that was kind of cool. They have a lot going on here.
Fitness.
Fun.
What's fit?
That's where you guys did the hanging. You're hanging.
Fitting this whole cheeseburger in my mouth. My mouth. My mouth.
Tag Splashpad edition.
You like the Splashpad too? Yeah, well, that's where you played tag.
It was the tag edition.
Tag edition of Splashpad.
Of Splashpad. Oh, I like it. I like it. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Comment down below and let us know what your favorite part is. And also, don't forget to comment down below if you find our Be Nice rock.
Where do we hide? Where did I hide it again?
It's a mystery.
And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can...
We're subscribers.
Hidden on something that's black.
Yeah.
And blue.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, he's where you hit it. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications on all our videos. And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye. Somewhere in the splash area.
Somewhere in the splash area. Bye-bye.
Bye. Be fun.
Be cool.
Baby adventures.
Don't drop it, though.
I found it! Look at Emmett. Oh! I see you! I'm gonna catch you! Okay. Oh no! Oh no! He's coming for me. I'm really gonna be look! Just look at him! He's coming after me!